Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow apps to use Bluetooth on Mac. So some apps need Bluetooth access to discover, connect to or communicate with nearby devices such as headphones, speakers, fitness tracker, smart home accessories and other Bluetooth enabled products. So instead of giving every app this permission automatically, macOS lets you decide which app can use Bluetooth. This helps protect your privacy while ensuring trusted app continue working as expected. So to allow Bluetooth access, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Now here in the right side pane, scroll a bit and then go to Bluetooth. Now find the app you want to allow and then turn on the toggle right to that app. If the app does not appear, it may request permission the next time it tries to use Bluetooth. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.